Hi there, it's Pascal here, and in this video I just want to answer one question that someone asked me. It's more like said I should explain something I said. It's more of, I said nothing is good or bad, only your thinking makes it so. And what does it really mean? I should go into depth to really help him understand that, but that's what I want to do on this video. Now, a lot of people may look at that as a very weird statement. That statement came from Shakespeare, and I have been reading, like, I share my journey in online business, all the things I do. I kind of try to model people that have been there, done that, and see why some of the quotes are the way they are, why people came up with different quotes. So this one is from Shakespeare. Nothing is good or bad, only your thinking makes it so. Now, what does that really mean? It means there's nothing good and there's nothing bad. Everything is. And what does that is mean? It's neither good nor bad. It kind of puzzles your head when you start looking into thinking about it yourself as a normal person, because this is not kind of the statement that an average person that is working 9 to 5 might be thinking. They say, hey, you're going to work every day is good. No, it's not good, it's not bad. That's what the statement means. Someone steals your thing, walks into your house and steals your bread from your home. It's not good, it's not bad, it is. What does that really mean? And let me give you a little bit of context. Now, let's say if someone goes into your home and when you're not there, steals your bread for your family, and you come home and you look for the bread is not there. What do? You classify that as theft. He's stealing, and in your perception, it's wrong. It's bad. But let's look at the perception of this thief. Maybe the reason he stole that bread, I'm not saying that stealing is good or bad, I'm just saying it is. So the person that stole the bread comes in and he says he's taking that bread to his family who has been starving for a week, and that bread just saved their life. They would have died if he did not steal that bread. So in his perception, it's good. He saved their life. So that's where you have to understand the next law in life: polarity. Good, evil. Up, down. Right, left. These are the things I have begun to understand. And the reason you have to understand that everything has an opposite, it's just the way life is. So at every point in your life, always try to maintain the balance in between. Don't try to look at things just from one side. Always look at things from both sides and stay in the middle. Try and balance your life, seeing things from both sides. In that way, you will make better conclusions. You make better decisions. And where has this come from? Again, if you go down to the Bible, it says, do not judge, so that you shall not be judged. It's very simple. So it's not for you to judge that someone came into your house, you've worked how many hours, and you bought a piece of bread to feed your family, and someone walks into and steals it. Then you now, by the law, kill that person. That's the message. As long as you steal something, go to jail. And on the other side, the guy is doing it to save his family's life. So who is right, who is wrong? Tell me. If you were on this side, what would you do? If you were on this side, what would you do? So it's life. So you just have to understand, do not judge, and just be of good service. Help any person that comes across. Don't judge people you see on the street based on the actions. Just understand that if you can't help, don't feel bad. That's just the way it is. I see beggars on the street. Sometimes I give out. Sometimes I think like maybe they're going to smoke with it. And sometimes it's just me. It's my own perception of things. But what I begin to understand is that's just the way they are. I don't know why they're that way. It's only God that can make that decision. It's not for me. So if you're looking to start a business online and you really want to start nailing and understanding how this works, people will like your product, love it, and you will get this odd person that will come from nowhere. This your product is shit. It's rubbish. What are you gonna do? You understand the product is not for him. So if some people like it, then focus more on giving to the people that are using what you want. In that part, grow that part of your business. But understand that this other side will still be there. So, but do not judge why they don't like you. Some people might watch this video, they would like you. You can't kill them. It's life. They're not supposed to like everybody. You don't like everybody, so everybody's not supposed to like you. So that's life, man. It's a bit windy today, and weather has been really, really crappy. It was sunny the past 2 days, and today it's windy and cold. I'm about to head to the gym. As you can see, I'm already geared up. And so that's what I mean by the message. Just try and stay in the balance. Do not judge so that you cannot be judged. It's very simple. Just allow things. It's tricky. To be honest, have I figured this out? No. But I just try to apply this do not judge so that you shall not be judged anytime I can apply it. So I'm not perfect. So I just learn and learn. I keep learning and keep evolving. So that's the way I see things these days. Obviously sometimes it's very difficult to apply these principles, but what can you do? They have been there for a reason. So apply them when you need to. If you want to join my webinar where I share strategies in online business, feel free, man. There'll be links in the description. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions in online business and you want me to address it, my experience, share my perspective on it, ask me the question. My email, right in the description. Maybe my assistant will pick it up, then we'll crack it on. Let's know what you think. All right. Apart from that, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.